Hello, how do you doodly do? Welcome to another episode of Sail Mermaid. In this episode I will take you down the coastline of Costa Blanca from Calpe all the way down to Cartagena. And on my way I did a stop in Alicante and in Torrevieja. It was very calm and beautiful conditions, a little cold, but yeah, I didn't have much sail wind, so I didn't do much sailing. It was mostly motoring, and unfortunately I did focus a little bit on getting the B-roll video and not focusing too much on the storytelling, but I still hope you will enjoy this video. So please enjoy. I had a beautiful day on the ocean going from Calpe to Alicante, although I did not sail. It was dead calm most of the time, so I ran the engine all the way over. Only for a little while I had some slight breeze, but then it was right on my nose. It was a beautiful sunset as I got tied up in the marina of Alicante among luxury yachts and designer boats. The cost of mooring there for one night was only €55 for my boat as it was low season. But at least I didn't charge extra for water and electricity. I ran my kick scooter for a little spin to film this lovely sunset before I took the night. I did also go into town to film some there, but sadly this footage is lost for some reason. In the marina there were several ship chandlers who sold just about anything a boat owner could ask for, but sadly none of them were familiar with the Ebbers pressure heater of mine, which needed service. So I got my piece back on. It's time to move on. Unfortunately the heater in the boat is not working properly at the moment. So that is why I depend on going to a marina every night to get electricity. So now I have this small heater from, it's actually a car heater from Biltema. But it's much too small to get the job done. It's a big boat and it's cold at night. Actually right now it's much colder inside the boat than it is outside, even though the sun is not up yet. Or the sun is up, it's just not here yet. So yeah, I'm not preparing the boat for sailing today. I think I will be motoring all along. It's been a very comfortable night. I slept very long this morning because there is no wind at all. So it was nice. Not even a little bloop 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 underneath the boat from the sea. It's dead calm. So it will be motor all day today, I think. But that's fine. Yeah. As I got outside, I could see that it was probably my neighbor who woke me up this morning when he took his little cabin cruiser out for a spin. Motoring from Alicante to Torrevieja was also very uneventful. It seems I enjoyed being on the water too much and forgot all about the filming. It was a lovely day full of relaxing, philosophy and dreaming of doing the same trip in the warm summer breeze. As I sailed from Torrevieja at sunrise, a rescue vessel was testing its firefighting guns. I had just a little wind from behind, so I sailed by the general for the most part. Since the wind wasn't very strong, I also tested to fly my drone for the first time from the boat, before I started the engine and motor sailed along.
Another sequel is on the way. Oh, oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free. In time we seize infinity. Growing love, growing love. Hello, my borders. Hello again. You're out of order. I'm out of pain. We're closing circles. We got no end. Another sequel about to land. Oh, oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free. In time we seize infinity. Growing love, growing love. Hello, my heart beats. Hello again. Between the worries, we head for land. I will be fighting to hold the line. We're never hiding, we never lie. And I'll be coming home, and you'll be going strong. And I know there is a reason. Now we're ready to be whole. Yeah, ready to be whole. And I'll be coming home, and you will be going strong. My love, infinity. And I'll be coming home. We seize infinity.
So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a like and place a comment below. I love to read them. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. In next episode, I will take you on my way from Cartagena over to the coast of Africa to a small place called Melilla. So see you then. Bye.